Hi, it's Sunday. As you know, I like to do subdued Sunday, so I'll try and do something not quite so upbeat. I hope you enjoy this one. It's what I've been wanting to do for a bit, and I've suddenly found it. So anyway, enjoy. There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far, over land and sea. A little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, a magic day, he passed my way. And while we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love, and to love in return. The greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love, and to love